Good morning and Jai Hind students. In today's session, while starting a new journey, we are having a new chapter of physics, class 12th, that is electrostats. And this chapter is divided into 4 subparts. So I am going to start this chapter with a very fundamental concept from the very basic, that is zero. In this chapter I have to study what do you mean by the electricity, what is properties of electric charges, what are the Coulomb's law, what is the Coulomb's law in vector form, unit of charge, relative permittivity or dielectric constant, and at last charge distribution, linear, surface and volume. So I am going to start this chapter in a very subdivisional part. So starting from the very beginning, assuming that your base is not so clear, let's move to the very important thing, that is, it is important to note that the electrification of body, whether positive or negative, is due to the transfer of electrons from one body to another body. Either in the case if you want to give a positive or negative charge to any body, that is, if the electrons are transferred from one body to the another body, so one body gets deficient in terms of electrons and the other body makes rich in electron. The body which is deficient will become the positive body, and the body which have or which possess more number of electrons will behave as like a negatively charged body. So if two bodies from the following list are rubbed, then the body appearing early in the list is positively charged and where the later is negatively charged. Suppose we have a column 1 of glass, wool, flame, ebonite and dry hair, and in second column we have negatively charged bodies. These are silk, amber, ebonite, rubber, plastic, polythene and comb. So these are few examples by which we can have the positive charge of a body or negatively charge of a body. By having the charges on the body and transferring the charges, we can generate electricity by means of frictional electricity. Let's take an example to understand what is frictional electricity or what you have observed during your winter days. So the frictional electricity is the electricity produced by rubbing two suitably bodies and transfer of electrons from one bodies to other. Suppose you have taken a silk cloth, there is a glass and this silk cloth is rubbed against the glass rod, or you can take a ebonite rod and flannel. If you rub these things on this glass or ebonite, electrons in the glass are loosely bound in it than the electrons in the silk. So when the glass and silk are rubbed together, the comparatively loosely bound electrons from glass get transferred to the silk. तो अगर आपने जो इलेक्ट्रॉन आपके ग्लास के हैं वो लूजली बाउंडेड हैं और उस पर आपने सिल्क को रब किया, तो होगा ये कि ग्लास से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल के सिल्क वाले पर आ जाएगा आपका. सिंपल सी बात है. एज अ रिजल्ट ग्लास बिकम्स पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड द सिल्क बिकम्स नेगेटिवली चार्ज. दिस हैपन्स अगेंस्ट, जब आप एबोनाइट और फ्लैनल का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, इसमें रिजल्ट क्या बनता है? एज अ रिजल्ट एबोनाइट बिकम्स नेगेटिवली चार्ज एंड फर बिकम्स दी पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. तो दोनों में दो तरह के डिफरेंस है. फ्लैनल आपका पॉजिटिवली चार्ज बनता है, सिल्क आपका नेगेटिवली चार्ज बन जाता है, जबकि वहाँ पर ग्लास रॉड आपकी पॉजिटिव चार्ज की बनी और एबोनाइट आपकी नेगेटिव चार्ज की बनी. तो इस तरीके से आपका पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कोई बॉडी बनता है और नेगेटिव चार्ज बनता है। अब बात करेंगे हम कि किसी भी चीज़ पर हम कैसे क्या कह सकते हैं। सो द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ चार्जेस, देयर एग्जिस्ट ओनली टू टाइप्स ऑफ चार्जेस, नेमली पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव। आपके पास या तो पॉजिटिव होगा और या तो नेगेटिव होगा। एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट लाइक चार्जेस रिपेल ईच अदर एंड अनलाइक चार्जेस अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर। लाइक चार्जेस जो होंगे वो आपको रिपेल करेंगे, अनलाइक चार्जेस आपके अट्रैक्ट करेंगे एक दूसरे को। चार्ज इज़ अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी, दे हैव एडिटिव नेचर इन। तो एडिटिव का मतलब +2 कूलम, +5 कूलम एंड -3 कूलम will ultimately gives you +4 coulomb, that is a positive charge. Also we know that charge is quantized. This quantized means that electric charge exists in discrete packets rather than in continuous amount. Discrete packet means either they will go in terms of positive numbers. Suppose you want to transfer an electric charge of -1/2 coulomb, it will not be there. It can be expressed in integral fundamental electronic charges. E is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power -19. Coulomb is the fundamental unit of electron. And quantization is thus means Q is equals to plus minus Ne. This Q is equals to plus minus Ne means where N is the number of electrons which are going to be transferred and E is the charge on an electron, and this both multiplied will give you the quantization of charge, which I already explained it, that electric charge exists in the discrete form. Also we know that the sixth property is charge is conserved. That means algebraic sum of positive and negative charge in an isolated system remains constant. Charge cannot or does not change with velocity. That means if you are traveling, suppose you are traveling in a car or a vehicle, or suppose you are traveling in a spacecraft. So as per the Einstein's photoelectric equation, E is equals to mc square, where m is equals to m naught upon under root of 1 minus v by c whole square. Your mass will vary. This is the fundamental difference between the mass and energy, mass and charge. मास आपका वेरी कर सकता है एज द स्पीड और वेलोसिटी इज चेंजिंग, बट चार्ज नीदर चेंजेस एज द वेलोसिटी इंक्रीजेज और डिक्रीजेज. सो दीज आर द सिक्स्थ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ चार्जेस. एंड till now we have studied about the what is charge, how can we get the charge, what are the positive charge, what are the negative charges. Now I am going to start with the Coulomb's law, that is the force between two electric charges. So the electrostatic force of interaction means it assumes that either it could be of the nature of attractive or it could be a nature of repulsive between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of charges, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, and acts along the line of axis. So we can write it as force is directly proportional to Q1 into Q2. Also it is inversely proportional to 1 by r square, and F जब इन दोनों को आप कंबाइन करते हैं that will becomes as Q1 Q2 by r square. To remove the constant of proportionality, you will apply a constant that is known as positive constant, and whose value is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, जहाँ पर epsilon naught is the meaning that the permittivity of the medium. This whole phenomena has done in the vacuum. So the value of epsilon naught is what we have taken as 8.85 10 to the power minus 15, and this k 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught gives you a value of 9 into 10 to the power 19. This Coulomb's law can also be written in terms of vector form, and in vector form just we have to add this r cap vector, where vector r means r cap vector r upon mod of r. तो जब आप इसको r रखते हैं तो you ultimately give them as r cube, एंड यहाँ पर हमें ये पता चलता है कि Q1 Q2 फोर्स on 1 due to charge 2 and force on 2 due to charge 1 in all the cases are of equal and opposite in nature. So thank you and Jai Hind. We will meet in the next lecture and solve some numerical problems. Thank you.